Hello friends, welcome to the special session of what is this session for? Want fast career growth in banking? Start with JAIIB. This session is typically for the same, for the reason that how can you grow fast using your JAIIB exams? Now you might be asking, is it really important to grow through the JAIIB only? Can't I grow it like that only without anything? No exams. I'll just work in the bank and grow. These doubts I am going to clear. So before moving ahead, kindly like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. Don't miss this. Okay? Chalo, let's start. Let's start. See, have you shared it? Have you liked the video? Yeah? Let's start. See this. First, let's speak with examples. Very important. See, examples means the point is like this. If anywhere you go, you speak to anyone, that person will feel confident about yourself only when you have live examples to show. If I tell you there is a life after this beyond the universe, you'll say, okay, you say anything, why do I care? But if I show you examples, then only you will accept it. Same logic goes over here. If I'll say you have a fast career growth using JAIIB, you'll say okay. But if I'll show you the examples, then you'll say no. What he's saying is right. So let me quote two examples. Two live bank's internal job postings. First one is this. Look at this. Bank clerk to officer. This was a condition given in one of the bank's criteria. What was it? Look at it. As per the general trend, the eligibility of the bank clerical to officer grade is 2 to 3 years of experience, and if you have already cleared JAIIB and CIB, you get, look at this. Why am I stressing JAIIB first? You can go for JAIIB and CIB, but only JAIIB if you talk only about JAIIB. Okay, take a pause. See this. You require 2 to 3 years experience if you are not a JAIIB, CIB. But if you are a JAIIB, only JAIIB I am talking, not CIB. CIB is difficult. Only JAIIB. You get 1 year of seniority for passing JAIIB. 1 year of seniority for passing JAIIB. If you are if you have cleared JAIIB, then you will get 1 year of passing. Okay, seniority. And if you have done CAIIB, okay, then as well as for CAIIB, means what? 2 years if you have cleared both JAIIB and CIB. So 1 year for J and 1 year for C. So that's why important part is you will get 1 year growth. You get free 1 year, isn't it? So this was one of the best examples. I got it from one of the internal bank postings. I can give the name. In fact, in all your banks, check this. Whichever bank you are, just check it. They'll definitely give you this point. Okay. So in case of RRBs, means same. Now remaining thing is okay, 4 to 6 years. But the point over here which I wanted to stress was this. And what is our topic? Career growth using JAIIB. So this is the career growth. 1 year you get it for free with JAIIB, and with CIB 2 years you get it for free. So isn't this example enough? No. I'll give you one more. One more example. See this. Look at the marks given by the banks. Okay. Now this is another bank's posting. Internal posting. Look at the posting. See this. You will see all the marks. Marks for each completed 10 years of clerical service, 1 mark. For each completed year of clerical service in RRB. So completed service is this. But now let's look ahead. For PG, completed PG, 2 marks. Look at this. Keep looking at the marks. 2 marks for PG. LLB, any of the diplomas, 3 marks. Now, JAIIB, CIB 1 they call it. Many of them call it CIB part 1 or JAIIB. 4 marks. See this, it is better than the graduation PG. It is better than the PG. It is better than the law LLB. And 4 marks over here for JAIIB. If you have cleared CAIIB, see this, if you have cleared CAIIB, then 6 marks. Huge. 4 marks, 6 marks. What is this? So that's why, kindly note, you will be having a fast growth in your bank. If you are JAIIB and if you are CIIB, it's well and good. It's the best. Okay? But at least clear JAIIB, because you will have to kickstart your career using JAIIB. And these two examples are enough. If someone is still not confident, or say someone is still not satisfied with these two examples, then be happy where you are. No need of your growth in your life then. But don't do that. Don't be like that in banking. You have to grow. Okay? If you are in banking, start growing, man. That simple thing. Now, what are the important points in this when you clear your JIB or as well as CIB? See, CIB it's double everything. JIB is single. Okay, see, 1 increment for J, 2 increments for C. So even if you clear JIB for the initial stage, then also you'll get 1 increment, 1 year free, everything, isn't it? So salary rise, what do you get over here? You get salary rise. Salary rise means that is, of course, see, everyone works for money, isn't it? What do you work for in the bank? You work for money. So salary rise, right? Everyone, everywhere works ultimately for money, isn't it? Net. So salary rise. Now, salary rise means what? This is increase in the basic. Kindly note. When you clear your JIB or your CIB, the increase is in the basic. Now, if something increases in your basic, immediately what happens? Your allowance get increased. Allowances. Basic will change your allowances also. Your pension fund, if there is any in your bank, so that will also get increased. Means the whole corpus gets increased. Greater promotion opportunities. Whenever you want a promotion, you will be considered on the above others. Look at it. Right now, there are not many JAIB, CIB in the banks. In all the banks I am talking. There are not many. So, you have an advantage. After 4-5 years, remember, every 2 out of 3 bankers will be JIB. So, at that time, you won't be having that advantage. Right now, 1 in 10 is a JIB. After 3-4 years, every 2 out of 3 bankers will be JIB because it will be that much compulsory. Banks nowadays don't require those guys who just come cash clearing, transfer, account opening, then processing of loans. They don't require operational people because these things can be done by AI and blockchain. Right now we are in the age of blockchain. Kindly remember, we are not a normal bank which we used to be in 1980s, 90s, even in 2010. Up to that. We have changed a lot. Everything is taken care of by machines, right? What is human being required for? Human being is required for knowledge. Kindly note, AI can replace 50 ordinary employees, but AI cannot replace 1 extraordinary employee. Very important. AI can replace 50 ordinary employees, but AI cannot replace 1 extraordinary employee. Can AI give JIB, CIB? It can't, because human being is required for JIB, CIB. So AI cannot replace anyone who has done JIB and CIB. But AI can replace anyone else, because that is a normal thing, right? So remember, you'll get a high salary rise, you'll get promotions, preference in promotions, you'll get all your allowances will increase, all the funds will increase. Okay? Specialist. Now this is very important. You'll get postings in the specialist department. Which are the specialist departments? Many are there. Trade finance, treasury, corporate finance. Okay? These 3 are the ones which I have worked in. Plus there is wealth management. Plus there is investment banking. You can get promotion anywhere in any of these specialized departments. And once you go in these specialized departments, your salary rises like anything, huge. Salary is huge. You get noticed by your seniors. Imagine somebody working in the treasury, he has direct access to the seniors. Do you have access to the seniors? No, right? So directly he has access to the seniors. Somebody working in corporate finance, you will be having the clients like biggies, Reliance, Tatas, all these. You won't be sitting over here, 20 rupees, sir, why my 20 rupees is debited, my passbook is not printed, my ATM card is not working. You won't have these clients. You will be having the clients like Reliance, Tatas, all the biggies, corporates. And it's a huge thing. The atmosphere is different. The work life is different. There you don't have to sell that much insurance. In fact, no insurance in trade finance and treasury. There you only sell this, whatever is regular product, and there are customers for this. So you don't have pressures also. Huge thing it is. So that's why I would suggest give your JAIIB immediately. Give your JAIIB and clear this, and you'll get a high growth. Now, how to clear this? For that, have you done the registration first? Tell me one thing. Have you done the registration? If you have not done the registration, kindly register it right now. The window is open from 1st August to 21st August. Don't miss this. Do the registration right now. Okay? Clear? Now, how to join the classes? See, you have to join the classes of Adda 24/7 because the JAIIB is not that simple now. JAIIB is not that simple. Okay? So now, how to join? Go to Adda 24/7. Always download the app first. First, download it from Play Store also, iPhone also, everywhere. Download it first. After downloading, then you'll get why do you download? You'll get 1% extra discount if you download it. Okay? Then join the batches. See this, officer batch. This is the latest batch for JAIIB. E-books, mock tests, online live classes, recorded sessions, everything you are having. E-books and mock tests are to the level of chapter wise also, per chapter. You get full length mock test, 10 full length mock tests, 100 marks, 10 separately. Plus chapter wise also. That many times revision you can have. So many times you can get read the e-books. Okay, go for it. And what huge discounts are going on. Look at this. Click on buy now. Put the code Y432. Never forget this code Y432. Click on apply. See this, 80% discount plus 1% extra, 81%. Huge, 81% discount. Okay, so you won't get this opportunity every now and then. 81% discount. Plus, some of you, I will suggest you join, in fact, everyone, join the Increment Mahapack, JAIIB Increment Mahapack. In Increment Mahapack, you are getting physical books as well as e-books, both. Sometimes read the physical books, sometimes read the e-books. Internet, okay, depending on the situation, right? Then you get 15 plus batches per subject, PPB 15 plus, RBWM 15 plus, AFM 15 plus, Indian economy 15 plus. So many batches you get. So 15 plus batches, and right now you are getting double validity. You buy for 6 months, you get it for 12 months. Buy for 12, get it for 24. But never forget the code Y432.